Have you ever thought about which herbs could save the day in an emergency? Imagine having your own backyard pharmacy, ready when you need it most. In today's video, we're diving into the essential herbs every prepper should grow. These plants aren't just for flavor. They're vital tools for self-sufficiency and survival. I once tried to soothe a headache with store-bought remedies. Nothing worked. Then I brewed some fresh mint tea from my garden. And voila! Nature's cure at its finest. Let's explore 5 must-have herbs for your emergency garden. Calendula, known for its skin-healing properties. Great for cuts and burns. Echinacea, boosts the immune system, a go-to during cold seasons. Mint, aids digestion and relieves headaches, plus it's refreshing. Basil, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, perfect for culinary and medicinal uses. Yarrow, stops bleeding and reduces inflammation, a field medic's friend. Planting these herbs is straightforward. Most thrive in well-drained soil with ample sunlight. Regular harvesting encourages growth, ensuring a steady supply. From soothing teas to healing salves, these herbs are versatile allies in any crisis. Do you have a favorite herb or a unique remedy? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear your tips. In uncertain times, self-reliance is key. Cultivating these herbs empowers you to take control of your health and well-being. Remember, a well-prepared garden is more than just plants. It's peace of mind. Start growing today and be ready for whatever tomorrow brings. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more prepping insights, and check out our next video on building a resilient food storage system.